Okay, I apologize. Elizabeth, you come up.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Chair Mathias, board members, and Superintendent Cornegie. I can't believe we are already in week 2 with students of the new school year. And we hope all educators, colleagues, Lake County School staff, students, and families have had a great start so far. It has certainly been a busy beginning of the year, and Jessica and I will be visiting work sites starting this week to support our colleagues, which is why I may not be able to stay for the full meeting, but I look forward to watching the conversation. I shared some members' concerns with this board via email and also had a great conversation with Chair Mathias regarding the superintendent selection process. One concern I discussed with Mathias was during the board workshop, there was a discussion about 5 years of experience being reasonable, but that changed from the workshop to the board meeting on July 13th. I believe sharing an explanation for that change would be helpful, and we discussed that. Some members have questioned whether the process being conducted is in a transparent and fair manner. If this board could share the rationale behind the decisions being made throughout the process, I believe educators and the public could have confidence that the best candidates for superintendent are being identified and interviewed. And we believe the integrity of this process is critical to the continued success of our district. We also believe the district's decision to collect stakeholder input was a smart one. However, will there be an opportunity to share the feedback collected and engage in a response or dialogue with the stakeholders? Jessica and I also have some questions for whoever becomes the next superintendent. We have built a great relationship with Diane Cornegie, and we hope for the same positive working relationship with the next superintendent. Will LCEA representatives continue to have the opportunity to meet regularly with the superintendent and collaborate? Will the teacher advisory committees continue, and will there still be opportunities for collaboration on committee structure and topics? Will there continue to be an open line of communication between LCEA and the next superintendent? We would also love to learn more about the superintendent candidates, their vision for LCS, and how they view the role of our instructional union in the decisions that impact the success of our A-rated district. Finally, Jessica and I are excited to hear more from Scott Ward today regarding the budget. We are grateful for his time and support. We also look forward to continuing our collaboration on budget communication to ensure educators and the public fully understands the funds that we actually have available for operations and how those funds are spent. LCA remains committed to collaborating and advocating for the exceptional educators who serve Lake County students every day. And we thank you for your continued partnership in building the strong public schools that Lake County deserves. Thank you.
Thank you.